How to deposit or withdraw on OKX wallet. Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you the ways to deposit or withdraw on OKX wallet. And what you have to do is you just have to go ahead and open up your OKX wallet application, and when you're logged in, that's going to take you to this field. So here what you have to do is, in order to deposit or withdraw, you could go to the trade section, and or else you could go to the asset, and then you could go and press the deposit button. As you press the deposit button, it is going to take you to the field where you have to go ahead and select the asset, enter the exact amount and all of that, and you'll have deposited the asset into your OKX account. And likewise, if you wish to go ahead and withdraw the asset, you could go and select the asset, let's say Bitcoin, and press the withdraw button, enter the exact amount that you're withdrawing, select the destination where you're withdrawing, all of that, confirm the transaction, then you'll have successfully withdraw on OKX wallet. So that is how you could deposit or withdraw on OKX wallet. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.